You're probably wondering kung bakit natin ginawa tong video na to, kung bakit ko ginawa tong video na to. Kasi lately nakikita ko more on sa social media is gears matter. You cannot do great things without a great gear. So let's talk about that. Actually, marami akong notes dito. Naka-ready na. Notes. Pag-usapan natin to ng dire-diretso, plain and simple. Tatry ko mag-insert ng mga samples. I just want to make this as simple as possible para, alam mo yun, more on knowledge tayo. Does your gear matters in 2026? Because alam naman natin, this year, maraming lumabas na klase ng cam, maraming lumabas na iba-ibang technology sa phone, updated lahat, maganda lahat. Sa papaisip ka, kailangan ko ba ng full frame cam to do this? Kailangan ko ba ng APS-C to do this? Kailangan ko ba ng 1-inch sensor? Kailangan ko ba ng micro four thirds? Sapat na ba yung phone? Action cam? Okay, first natin pag-uusapan, shoot with what you have. Kung anong available dyan. Available yung cinema cam mo, gamitin mo. Available yung full frame mo, gamitin mo. APS-C, gamitin mo. Phone, action cam, nandyan na, nabubulok, gamitin mo. Gear does matter if your client or director requires it. So let's say you're working on the project. You're working on a paid project. Siyempre may mga may mga requirements. Kailangan 4K 60, 4K 120. Lalo na kung hindi ikaw yung mag-edit. Nagre-require sila sa mga shooter ng dapat may S-Log, dapat may C-Log, dapat may V-Log. Kailangan ng Blackmagic Raw. May mga ganong scenario eh. Pero kadalasan, nire-require lang yung sa mga, talagang big productions. Big budget productions. Actually, may mga corporate level pa na walang pakialam sa gears mo. Gusto nila output. Pero yun nga, your gears does matter if the client or director requires it. If you can provide, great. If you cannot provide, rent, diba? Ito, mostly, ang mga hinahanap ng mga client or director na talagang nagre-require ng gears ay sa lenses, mga focal length, mga more on primes. Prime lenses ang gamit namin sa ganong cinematic works. Okay, ano pa bang gear ang kadalasan hinahanap ng mga clients? Lights. Maganda sa client yung alam nila kung ano yung kailangan sa shoot. So kita nila medyo madilim, medyo gloomy, or indoor. Hindi sila magre-risk sa high ISO, hindi sila magre-risk sa mas mababa pang shutter para lang lumiwanag. You need to have a source of light, diba? Ito, medyo nitpicking to pagdating sa mga director, pero most of them need ng some sort of monitor. Kailangan mo dyan ng wireless transmitter para may sarili silang monitor, para ma-review nila yung shots. So ako, ginagawa ko doon is to sa iPad ko. Nakakonect yan doon sa CinemaCam. Okay siya kasi pag mag-framing kayo, hindi mo sisilip-silipin, diba? We're done with gears does matter portion. Let's move on sa gears really doesn't matter. Kahit 720p lang yung camera, kahit 1080p lang yung camera yan, kahit 24 FPS lang kaya niyan, kahit hindi super slow mo. Vlogs and personal contents. Ito, tulad nito. Pagdating kasi sa mga vlog and personal contents, yun na, nandun content. Ang pinaka-importante doon ay yung pinaka-content mo, diba? Yes, bonus na yan kapag may mga cinematic shots, may mga power intros. Pero iba pa rin kapag yung may laman yung content. Iba pa rin pag yung may natututunan yung tao. Iba pa rin kapag yung may certain knowledge o may certain niche na hinahanap yung tao at nabibigay mo. So hopefully, itong video na to, mahanap niya yung right audience niya, diba? Okay, meron ako ditong enumerated na list kung bakit hindi importante ang gears pagdating sa mga ganitong content. First one is, you are fueling your passion. You are doing this for yourself, not for anyone else. You're doing this for you. Look, tama. Diba? Hindi ko binabasa masyado. You are satisfying yourself. Okay, next tayo. But what if you think your gear sucks. So napunta na rin ako sa stage na ganyan. Meron akong phone, meron akong DSLR dati. Kaso sinasabi ko, hindi naman ako makagawa ng content kasi ito lang yung gamit ko. Which is mali. So ano nangyari? Na-stuck ako. Yung skills, na-stuck. Yung creativity, na-stuck. I-ano natin, enumerate natin. Kapag yun ang pag-iisip mo, you won't grow. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, you won't grow kapag iniisip mo na your gears are not enough, your phone is not enough, your action cam is not enough, your camera is outdated. Yan, pag iniisip mo yan, ano walang patutunguhan yun. Just grab your freaking camera and shoot. Or get a piece of paper, get a pen, write something and then shoot it. You'll not grow as a creator or storyteller. Tulad ng sinasabi ko kanina, your content matters, your story matters. So, what is the reason ba? Tanong mo sa sarili mo, wait lang, why did I grab the camera? Anong point? Kung ang point is paglaruan lang, walang problema. Kung ang point is nakita mo yung pusa naglalakad ng cute, walang problema. Kung ang point is you want to make something, you want to tell a story, you have a content-worthy idea, do it. Diba? Much better. So, tapos na pala tayo. So, more on ano lang yan your perception sa paghawak ng cam. How would you maximize your gears? How would you like to tell the story? Tulad na ito, gamit ko lang dito. Osmo Nano. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan lang. Diba? Meron lang stand dyan. Yung Osmo Nano. And then, I just hit the record button. Pero syempre, hirap ako magsalita kaya kailangan ko ng notes ko. So lastly, basahin ko na lang para hindi ako talutal. This is why you should start shooting and stop thinking about your gears. Ulitin ko. You should start shooting and stop thinking about your goddamn gears. Okay? So next episode, we're gonna talk about next time na yan. So importante is now you know how to use your gears. Meron ka ng direction. Grab that camera and shoot. Okay? If you want more contents like this, just follow, comment, like. You can subscribe if you want. Okay? Let's go.